For our post-game press conference, we have here Coach Geraldo Caport and Savvy Davison of the PLDT High-Speed Hitters who won in 4 sets against the Farm Fresh Foxes. Coach, congratulations on this win. Paano lang din naka-recover yung team after losing the first set against Farm Fresh?
Yun lang, before the game, reminders talaga yung composure namin na niremind lang sila na lahat nga ng games ngayon ay mahirap. So yung naging lesson sa amin from the previous game, in-apply lang ulit. So hindi namin nakuha yung first set, pero pinip na ng players na recover.
Because and that's the end of the game, Savvy. Savvy, you guys came from a loss. How did you guys manage to recover personally in order to get this win against Farm?
I think what tells the team is how they recovered from a loss. So I'm just glad that we showed up today. I'm glad that we didn't take anything for granted. Point by point, we pushed the gap. So I'm just happy, especially against a team like that. They have a lot of good athletes, especially Helen. So I'm just glad that we persevered and finished it.
Coach, sabi niyo nung nakaraan, isang wake-up call na lang against Farm Fresh na unbeaten. Gano'n ka satisfied sa bounce back na ginawa ng team today?
Hirap talaga yung galing sa talo na hindi kami nakapag-perform talaga ng maayos sa last game. So talagang mas nag-focus na kami sa side din namin. At the same time, ang pinaka-goal lang naman today is hindi ko pa nakita yung stats pero sana talaga malinis yung team part ng Farm. So mahirap talaga sila kalaban, glad sila gumagala. So naging happy lang kami na kahit pa paano nag-respond yung players nagawa namin yung namin.
Sabi you face unbeaten Farm Fresh, they improve a lot. What was your mindset going up against an unbeaten team like them?
I'm going to be honest with you, I just wanted to be the best in the gym. She's a really good player, and I knew that we had to stop her in order to win. We took care of the other kids, so I'm glad that we have really good blockers on our side, and I guess my job was just to put away the ball, right? So I'm just glad that everything kind of worked together. Each role was taken care of. We trusted each other, and going into it, we just wanted another win really bad. So that's what my goal is.
Sadly, the franchise missed winning streak now in the past. What is your biggest takeaways in that 3-conference streak that you can bring to your next games?
I think it's a long road. I mean, we're not even thinking about playoffs. We gotta take care of stuff next week first, and then kind of recoup and reset, and then we're heading into a crossover. So I guess it's just day by day. How do we stay healthy? How do we maintain? How do we get better? So I guess from here on out, it's like today, just point by point, game by game.
Coach, next game niyo will be against Nextlet. Kanina, nag-5-set game sila and si Paola nakascore ng 38 points. So, ano lang yung magiging mindset niyo heading into that match?
Yun siguro yung lesson talaga na hindi kayo pwede maging complacent. Na kahit constant, lalo with Nextlet na kahit na parang naka-adjust na yung report nila, magandang production kanina. At the same time, maganda yung system ni Coach Torre. So, for sure mag-recover saka mag-respond din sila ulit. Yun na talaga, huwag kaming tumingin ng malayo talaga game by game lang. Tapos yun lang, regarding talaga dun sa streak. Before naman napakahirap mag-champion sa PPL. Hindi ko alam bakit biglang naging issue yung may winning streak and all. Hindi naman namin yun pinagol, saka nagiging distraction lang din sa amin. So siguro lang, para lang siguro ma-market and all. Pero wala talaga dun yung focus. Yung focus talaga namin is mag-improve lang talaga every conference saka makuha yung goal namin.
Thank you, Coach. Thank you, Savvy. Congrats on the win.
I'll be back with